Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Educare. In this lecture, we will discuss about complement of a sheet and how we represent on a Venn diagram. Okay, so what is complement of a set? Suppose U be a universal set and let A be a set such that A is a subset or we can say proper subset of universal set U. Okay, then we define complement of set A as set of all those elements of universal set which are not in set A. Okay, so it is always defined with reference to the universal set and it is denoted by A dash or A C. Okay, C is in superscript or we denote by U minus A. Okay, so suppose X is an element of universal set. Okay, and we have to define A dash, then we write X is an element of universal set such that X will not be an element of set A. Okay, so it is U minus A. So if X is an element of A complement, then we can say that X is not an element of set A. Similarly, if it is given the other way, that is X is an element of set A, then we have to say that X is an element of A complement. Okay. Now we will see how we represent this on a Venn diagram. So this rectangular box is universal set. Okay, and this red portion, that is this red circle, shows set A elements. So A complement will be U minus this set A, or this rectangular box minus this circle. So the remaining portion, that is blue shaded area, it is A complement. Okay, so U, this U minus A. Okay, so A complement equal to U minus A, that is this blue shaded area. So if by example we try to understand this, suppose universal set is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so it is a set of natural numbers up to 9 and set A is given as 1 3 5 7 9. So set A is set of all the odd numbers up to 9. Okay, so what will be A complement? So we write A complement or A dash as U minus A, that is all those elements of U except which are part of set A. Okay, so if you see, U is all the natural numbers up to 9 and A is your odd numbers, so A complement will be U minus A, that is all the even numbers up to 9. Okay, so it will contain 2 4 6 8. Okay, now we will see some important results about complement of a set. So this Venn diagram we have just seen. Okay, so what will be U complement? U is our universal set. Okay, so by definition we know complement of a set is X is an element of universal set such that X is the element of given set. So here given set is universal set itself. So if you see, one portion says that one statement says that X is an element of universal set and other statement says X is not an element of universal set. So if you see this Venn diagram, one statement says X is an element of this rectangular box and others say that it lies outside this box. So it will be equal to phi or empty set. Okay, because same element will not satisfy these two. Okay, now coming to this phi is the empty set. If we take complement of empty set, so by definition X is an element of universal set such that X is not an element of empty set, and we know that empty set will not have any element. So if we take u minus a, that is this rectangular box, minus phi, phi contains no element, so it will be u only. So this rectangular box will be phi dash. If we take complement of a set, means we take double complement, okay, then we will try to see this. So X is an element of U, that is universal set such that X is not an element of A dash. Okay. So X is not an element of A dash and X is an element of universal set. So coming to this Venn diagram, X is not an element of A dash, means X is not a part of this blue shaded area, but X is an element of universal set. So universal set minus this blue shaded area, so it will give you red shaded area, and that is set A. Okay. Similarly, A union A complement. So A union A complement, you see here, A is your red shaded area and A complement is blue shaded area. And if we take union, it will give this whole rectangular box, that is universal set. Okay. Similarly, if we take A intersection A dash, and from this diagram we will see A dash intersection A. So what is the common element between blue shaded area and red shaded area? So no elements are common between these two. Okay. So it will be phi. Okay. Now we will solve some problems based on our discussion. Suppose the universal set is given as set of natural numbers, that is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And set A is a set of all even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have to find A dash. What will be A dash? As per definition, we know A complement equal to universal set minus set A. And here our universal set is natural numbers minus A. Okay, A set is given as even number set, and if we subtract, we will get all the set of odd numbers. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay, all the odd number set. One more problem we will discuss. In this problem, universal set is given as 1, 2, 3 up to 9, means all natural numbers up to 9. Set A is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, and set B is given as 2, 3, 5, 7. So we have to prove that A union B complement. So complement of A union B equal to intersection of A complement and B complement. Okay. So one by one, first we will find LHS, then we will find RHS, and we will see whether both are equal or not. Okay. So we will start from LHS. LHS equal to A union B complement. Okay. So A union B, if you see, A is 2, 4, 6, 8, that is even numbers up to 9, starting from 1. Okay. And B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So we will get union as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we have to find complement of this. So dash. And we have to find complement with respect to universal set. And universal set is 1, 2, up to 9. So 1, so this will be 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 9 minus. Okay. In this, 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, up to 8. Okay. So when we subtract this one, we will get 1 and 9. Okay. Next, we will find RHS. So RHS, we have A complement intersection B complement. So what will be A complement? See, A complement means U minus A. So U minus A intersection U minus B. Okay. So we will find U minus A and then find U minus B, and then we'll take intersection of both. Okay. So u minus a. So all the even numbers we should subtract from universal set. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection u minus b, and b contains 2, 3, 5, 7. So it will have 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. And when we take intersection of these two sets, we will get 1 and 9. So from 1 and 2, if this is 1 and this is 2, so from 1 and 2, what we can conclude, 1 and 2, A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. So in this lecture, we have discussed about complement of a set and have discussed also some important results about complement of a set. Okay friends, thank you.